Welcome guys today to this channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to permanently turn off your real-time protection. So I'll just open it. I'll click on this, go to Windows and my settings, click on privacy and security, Windows security. It opens the Windows security app. Close this. Then over here I'll scroll down. I can click on virus and threat protection, click on manage settings. This is real-time protection. So actually this stops some third-party apps from installing, and if there are some apps which you have cracked or you have cracked, it's actually deactivate it, and there are some files it's actually convert if it's not actually recognized by the manufacturer. You actually convert those files to virus on your PC. So most of the time we don't actually like using real-time protection. Most of times you can like turning it off so that you can be able to install some applications on your PC. So I'm going to show you how to permanently turn it off. So the number one is if you press this, if you turn on this and it asks you to allow this PC to make changes, you say yes. If you turn it off, when your PC turns on, when you on your PC, restart your PC, it turns on automatically. But this one I'm going to show you is how to do it. It's not going to affect your PC at all. Anytime you turn your PC on, it's always off. I'm going to do that right now. So let's go the way, go straight to the point. Over here now, I'll close this. I'll access the local group policy. I either search for local group, edit group policy over here, or you can use Windows R and type this. I also write group policy edit, which is actually what this is trying to say. Group policy edit.msc, and you press OK. It will also bring out this dialog window. So over here, what we want to do is actually under computer configuration, not under administrative, not under user configuration, because it's actually computer we are configuring. So I'll double click on this, which is actually computer configuration. Double click on administrative templates, click on Windows component, and scroll down to Windows Defender, Microsoft Defender antivirus. I'll double click on it. Then over to real-time protection. Over here you can have effects to change or tweak any settings on your PC. So when you are here, be careful what you do here, because whatever you do can affect your PC. So I'll just click on real-time protection. Then over here is actually you have a lot of settings which you can configure, but the most important one is to turn off real-time protection. I'll double click on it. Alright, so it's enabled already. I've enabled it. So not configured button, that radio button and the disabled work the same way. They are both effective. If you look in this section, you see it over there. So when we go to the virus and threat protection, I just want to show you a quick one. Down to real-time protection, it's on already. So configured and disabled is actually always allows you to manually turn on and turn off your real-time protection. But enabled, when you enable it, you don't have access to turn it on. This button will be inactive. You can't click on it. That's what enable does. But it will be off. So it's actually always off. Even though you restart your system, it's always permanently turned off. But configured and disabled allows you to do that yourself. You cannot turn it off and turn it off. So we'll apply the settings, click on apply, then click OK, and we are going to restart our system. And when we restart it, this real-time protection button will be turned off. So just hold on, and while we restart, and you'll see it. Thank you guys. We'll be back when it's done restarting. And let's go and check our security to confirm if our settings has taken effect. So over here we'll click on real-time protection. So not real-time threat and virus and threat protection. Then we'll go to virus and threat settings, click on manage. Where you see that it's actually turned off, and they say this setting is managed by your administrator. That means local group policy is where actually administrators usually go to make settings. So if we access our local group policy, guys, then Windows R, which is a run dialog box, GPED edit.msc. I click OK, and the local group policy windows comes up. Let's see what appears over here. All right, so it has come up. Click on computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows component, Windows Defender antivirus, Microsoft Defender antivirus. Click on return protection. Turn off return protection. You need to click on it. If you watch you maximize this. This is enabled. So that's why our virus protection is turned off. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, drop your comment below, and we'll respond to you.